Creating payment forms in WordPress is simple with the right plugin. The easiest and most popular option is WP Forms. Step-by-step guide. Install WP Forms. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for WP Forms, install, and activate it. Use WP Forms Pro for payment features. Create a new form. Go to WP Forms, Add New. Choose a template like billing or order form, or start with a blank form. Add payment field. Drag and drop the payment field into your form. Configure product fields, single item, multiple items, etc. Pricing options, total calculation, connect payment gateway. Go to WP Forms, Settings, Payments. Connect your preferred gateway. Stripe, recommended, PayPal, Square. Enter your API keys. Customize and publish. Adjust form design. Add fields, name, email, address, and set notifications. Click Save, then copy the shortcode and paste it on any page or post. Tips: always use SSL, HTTPS on your site. Test the form in sandbox mode first. For advanced needs, consider Gravity Forms or Elementor Pro.